Hey guys, so it's Monday the 25th. I just got back from my late morning run. Today is the official first day of my Herbalife shake fast, so I will be having 3 shakes a day in combination with intermittent fasting. So I will be having my first shake at 12, second shake around 4ish, and the last shake right before 8 o'clock, and nothing but water and tea after that. And I am hoping to lose a couple of pounds. I just picked up on doing the morning runs. It's been 3 days now, so I didn't weigh myself before starting. I actually haven't weighed myself in a whole month, so I don't know exactly how much I weigh, but I will go weigh myself right now so that we have that into account by the 3rd day and see how much weight I have lost. But yeah, I'm super excited. Closer to 12, I'm gonna go ahead and make my shake with you guys so you see how I do that. Right now it's 10:30, so I will be taking a shower, getting ready, and get ready to get my day started. Okay, so I have everything I need to go ahead and make my Herbalife shake, so we are going to get that started. So I already know my measurements by looking at it, so that's how much water I'm gonna use. About 8 ounces of water, and I am going to do a wild berry shake with some strawberries today. So for those of you that have never seen me do this before, if you're not following me on Instagram, I do 1 scoop of the protein, 2 scoops of the Formula 1, which this is like all the vitamins and minerals, nutrients, and all that good stuff. Herbalife is the #1 meal replacement shake in the world, so I know I'm putting some good stuff in my stomach. So let's shake it before I put anything else, and then I come back with the ice and the strawberries. Okay, and I open it. I usually put in about 8 ice cubes, so 2 and strawberries. I will add this little bunch. Shake it so all the liquid can come down and it'll be easier to blend. I'm blending it, I see that it's like going up and going up until it gets to the top. That means it's becoming more foamy, like thicker, like smoothie like, which is the perfect consistency for me. That's how I love it. Some people like their shakes a little bit more watery. I like them like really thick and foamy. So I wait until the foaminess goes all the way to the top. Done. So I will show you guys what this looks like. Look at that. That's the consistency I'm talking about. Sort of like ice cream type of consistency. Anyways, now I will enjoy it. Okay guys, so here I am enjoying my very first shake of today. This is my breakfast. I only added 1 scoop of the protein. Therefore, this is only 145 calories plus the strawberries I added, which were about 4 of them. I'm not sure how many calories each strawberry has, but I'll probably put that down below because I will be making this shake many times. I love it so much. But I know that I realized that is low in calories. I didn't think about that before, so I will probably either be adding, like, either be doing it with soy milk or adding double protein so that I can have a little bit more calories in my meals. But yeah, this is super delicious. Just the consistency I love. And no, this is not how my hair is gonna be the whole day. It's just still in this turban towel, I think it's called. I was out running errands all morning, or all afternoon, I guess better said, because I had my shake at 12. And right now it is 3:36 and I am freaking starving. So I came back home real quick to make myself another shake. This time I will do the dulce de leche flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done and show you guys how I make this one. This one's a little bit different. I usually add almonds and all this other thingies that are chocolatey, I guess you can say. So let's go ahead and get this done. Okay, so as we know, get started with the water. Then I'm gonna do 2 scoops of the Formula 1. And earlier I did mention that I was going to start doing either 2 scoops of protein or doing it with the milk. But the problem here is that the dulce de leche, the name says it all, it's dulce, it's sweet. So it's kind of like too much if you do double, well for me, because I don't really like things that are too sweet. So it's too much if I do double scoops of protein, and it's too much if I do the milk. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it the same way I did, which is just 1 scoop of protein and with water. So let's get this, shake it around so the contents don't like settle on the sides. Usually it stays on the wall of the cup. Okay, so there's a couple of things I add onto this, but first I will be shaking just the ice, and I'll show you guys what I add. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You guys want to meet my baby? Watch. Rocky, come here, boy. Come here, baby. Come on. Come on. Boy. This is my baby Rocky. Say hi. Say hi. Oh, no, this way. Say hi, YouTube. Hi. Hi, friends. You silly Billy. Oh, you're Jimmy. Okay, go play. Okay, that's my little baby. So now we are going to go ahead and add the chocolate and other good stuff. So I add this good stuff. I add some of this good stuff. And almonds. And lastly on top, I add some coconut shreds. This one I don't blend it. I just add it like towards the end. So let me grab the Herbalife spoon. And this, I just add this much, which is half a teaspoon. And that's all I add. And then the cacao, I add a whole tablespoon, just a big measurement on the spoon. And almonds, I also grab a tablespoon and just pack it on. And then we blend it again. One last time. Oof, that got dirty. That went all over the place and made a mess. So the big guy is Thor. That is my big boy. All right, so this is all done. Okay, my loves, so it is now officially last shake of the day. I just did it right now and it was done the exact same way as I did my lunch shake, so I didn't do it on camera. So why waste you guys' time? But yeah, I am super duper hungry, so I'm definitely gonna finish this like in 2 seconds. And my weight is one thing I did want to mention. I had gained a little bit of weight and I didn't even know because I was 121.8. I was pretty sure I was like 120, but I usually never go over 120, so I was in a bit of a shock. But anyways, I will definitely be losing those couple of extra pounds I gained, and it's all gonna be nice and dandy. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hello my loves, so it is today day 2 of my Herbalife shake fast. It is now 11:09 and I just got back from my late morning run, better said, and I am feeling fabulous, but I am not gonna lie, I did not want to get up in the morning and go running. I was a little low energy. I felt a little bit of a headache, but I was able to convince myself to get up anyways. I made myself a tea, my herbal tea, which is a peach flavored tea, and I added the mandarin herbal aloe as well, and it gave me some kind of energy. I got up, I changed, I left. Once I started running, I was all there. You know, you get in a different kind of mode, whichever word you want to prefer, and I was gone and I loved it. I had like a really good run. I got back right now and I'm feeling super energetic. I'm just gonna go shower right now. I'm gonna change and get ready to get my day started. I will be having my shake by 12 o'clock. I will also be recording it again just because this time I'm gonna add soy milk or flax milk, one of those two, and I'm gonna double up on the protein just because I feel that I do need a little bit. Hold on. Hey guys, get along please. I do feel that I need a little bit more energy, more calories, sorry. I need a little bit more calories because that's probably the reason why I didn't want to get up this morning. I will get back to you guys in a little bit because as you can hear, my kids are fighting, so. Hello my loves, so here we are on day 2. I will be making my Herbalife shake a little bit different this time. I will be using some flax milk because as we all know, I was a little low energy this morning, so I want to add a little bit more calories to my shake. So I will be using about 8 ounces. That might be a little bit more, but whatever. I need calories. And now, no, I'm gonna do wild berry again for breakfast. So we all know how this goes. 2 scoops of Formula 1. 1 scoop of protein. I'm only gonna do 1 scoop, and then seeing how I feel, then I will do 2 tomorrow. Just because I don't want to do like milk and double protein. That defeats the whole purpose. I might as well eat like normal food. Probably not. I don't know. I don't know. All right, let's do this. And now we go and we grab our strawberries. I'm actually gonna add strawberries and blueberries today. Let's see. And let's see how that turns out. I'm gonna add all the blueberries, that wasn't many, and all the strawberries, which as well, it wasn't many. 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if any more are gonna fit. Nope, that's where I'm gonna leave it at. This is a little headache sometimes. There you go. This is gonna be hard work, so let's get ready. There you go. Show you guys all about this consistency. What's that? So delicious. Look, it's not even dripping down. Love it. Now I will go enjoy this little shake and I will be back with you guys for either lunch or dinner. Most likely dinner. Today is day 4 and the fast is officially over. Yesterday was the last day. I did have my dinner a little bit later than usual. It was around 9 o'clock, so I didn't even like post it anymore. I was kind of tired at the end of the day, so I just went to bed. But yeah, here we are. Overall it was a really good fast. I feel really good. I felt really good throughout all 3 days. The second day, actually, I didn't have a lunch. I didn't have a lunch shake because I went running some errands and I got really busy and I couldn't come back. My mistake was to not take like a shake I think I mentioned this on day 3, so I don't even know if I should be mentioning it again. Whatever, I didn't have a lunch, but which is kind of bad. I should have prepared better. But anyways, I lost a total of 2.8 pounds. I feel really good. I was also running every morning. I've been running and I will continue to be running every morning for half an hour. Nothing like out of this world. And it's not like I'm running like racing anyone. I'm running distance. So I feel really good overall. And I do recommend this diet if you guys are looking for like a quick little weight loss for you to feel good. My jeans are fitting really nice. The chunkies are not coming out. I'm loving everything. So that is all, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you did, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what videos you guys want to see next. Remember, I do anything about beauty, makeup, diet tips, or whatever the hell you want me to do. Let me know. I will see you guys next time.